Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. One of them is a 1927 Ford T-Bucket. It is listed for $13,000. According to the seller, this 1927 Ford is a fiberglass-bodied hot rod powered by a 350 small block engine, mated to a 350 automatic transmission. This car is not being presented as a show car, but is described by the seller as a fun vehicle with solid potential. As the seller notes, both Edelbrock carburetors have recently been rebuilt, although they may still need some additional tuning. This car is offered with a clean title and is located in Windham County. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications.